Congratulations on getting your offer accepted. Or if you're refinancing, thank you so much for trusting us with your financing. This is a huge milestone, and we're here to guide you through the next steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's break it down. First, you'll sign your initial disclosures, which will include your first loan estimate. We need these signed as soon as possible to confirm your intent to proceed with the loan application. These documents are just your initial disclosures, so they may change throughout the process, but rest assured, these estimates will not increase unless there's a major change to your loan. Once these are signed, you'll be assigned to a dedicated loan processor who will take over from there. During this stage, our processors may request updates to your documents, but this is a normal part of the process. Providing these quickly helps us move closer to the final approval. Please be sure to respond quickly and keep our team informed about any changes in your financial situation, like new credit inquiries or job changes. This helps keep your timeline on target. Your loan processor will review all your documents, prepare your loan for underwriting, and submit it to the underwriter. While we're waiting for the underwriter's review, we'll begin working on ordering the title work for the property, getting homeowners insurance quotes for you, and arranging the appraisal order if it's required for your property. The next step is ordering the appraisal, which confirms the market value of your home. This ensures that the property meets the value requirements for your loan. Once the appraisal report is completed, we'll share the results with you. To stay on schedule, we'll need you to pay for the appraisal as soon as possible. Keep an eye on your email for this payment link. All the details you have provided so far will be reviewed by our underwriter to ensure compliance with lending guidelines. We'll keep you updated throughout, and we'll let you know as soon as your loan is officially approved. Talk to you soon.